loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I have a brand new brand review for you all and it's called Clovia Botanica. Now you might be getting confused कि Clovia तो हमने आज तक सुना है कि lingerie बनाता है, night wears होते हैं and fashion कपड़े वगैरह मिलते हैं, but skincare, yes guys, Clovia has launched their skincare line as well, which called Clovia Botanica. And all of their products have plant-based natural ingredients with the goodness of Ayurveda. So I have picked few of their products and I've been trying and testing those products for you all so that I can give you my word like whether you should invest in these products or not. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to hit on that red subscribe button down below and hit on the notification bell as well so you never miss any of my videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then come and follow me there to stay updated for upcoming videos. And now without wasting a minute, let's get started. So guys, Clovia has launched face care as well as body care and hair care products as well. So as you guys know, I'm currently acting oily, and as summers aa chuke hain, so you know summers mein we need something hydrating and soothing. So that's why I thought let's get a face mask from them, and then I went through their site and वहाँ पे आपको different section मिल जाएंगे. So जब मैं face mask के section में गई तो वहाँ पे there are 2 to 3 options. So सबसे पहली एक option थी वहाँ पे anti acne face mask की, okay. Second there was pink clay mask, and third one was matcha green tea hydrating face mask, okay. So summers में of course if you're oily skin type, you need green tea into your skincare routine because green tea बहुत ज़्यादा refreshing होती है and आपका जो oil है उसको भी control करके रखती है and आपको fresh and hydration provide करती है. So that's why I pick one matcha green tea face mask, okay. And then I went to their body wash section, and वहाँ पे मेरे पास 3 options थी. So as you know summers में I need something calming and refreshing, that's why मैंने pick किया है this calming body wash, okay. And जब body butters में गए तो body butter में भी of course there was a nourishing butter, then there was deep hydrating body butter, but I picked the calming body butter, okay, because summers में I need to soothe and calm down my skin. That's why मैंने ये 3 product pick करे हैं. Talk about these body care products first. So just look at the packagings of these. Oh my god, these look so summer friendly and I just love these colorful packaging of these 2 products. Now this body wash is a calming body wash and it has avocado, olive, jojoba oil, aloe vera and cucumber. All of these products are 100% vegan. There is no parabens, there is no toxin, there is no harsh chemicals in this one, there is no sulfate, and all of these products are made in India. And this body wash is very refreshing and at the same very hydrating. I just love the refreshing fragrance of this one. And second product I have is this calming body butter. This one has saffron, jasmine, lavender oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, kokum butter, cocoa seed butter, aloe vera and cucumber. And the consistency of this one is quite thick. It's very rich and it's very moisturizing, and it makes your skin super smooth and super healthy and glowy. And third product I have is this matcha green tea face mask. This one has aloe vera and seaweed and of course matcha green tea. Now aloe vera we all know has a lot of anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, and as well as it helps in reducing the hyperpigmentation and overproduction of melanin. And matcha green tea of course gonna make your skin even, and if you have acne it gonna reduce the acne and it's gonna improve the skin elasticity. It has seaweed which has anti-aging properties, hence it's gonna tighten up your skin. Now, how you have to use it: just wash your face, clean your face properly, and then apply this a thin layer on face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Then let it sit for about 10 minutes, and once it's completely dry, and then remove this with a warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. And after this you can use any of your favorite oil-free moisturizer and you're gonna get that, you know, super hydrating and fresh skin. Okay, so it's been 2 to 3 weeks since I'm trying all these products and I'm in loving this matcha green tea face mask the most. Those 2 products are also very good, but I'm loving this one because it has matcha green tea, and green tea and aloe vera are my favorite ingredients for summers. Aloe vera works really well for me, and even the green tea, and I'm loving this combination, and this has been working really well on my oily acne prone skin. And this is the product which I'm using currently, like once a week, and you have to use it once a week. You can use it twice a week as well, but for me once a week works wonderfully, and I love this one. And in case if you're interested to purchase these products, you can avail extra 10% off because I have a affiliate code with them. So जितना भी information है मैं सारा नीचे description में डाल दूंगी. So जो 10% का off है ये आपको मिलेगा सिर्फ इनकी साइट पे. Like all of these products are also available on other sites as well, लेकिन जो मेरा कूपन कोड है वो सिर्फ आपको इनकी साइट पे ही अवेल हो पाएगा. So do check them out, and I love this green tea mask and I'm loving these body care products as well. You can go for either of these, like सभी बहुत अच्छे हैं. I have tried and tested them. You can definitely go and try these out. If you're oily skin, definitely try this one out. I'm loving this one. So yeah, that is it. That's all about this video. I hope you found this video a little bit helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay beautiful and have a happy skin. Bye bye.